Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You need to start with essentials. Enable camera and allow permissions so the scanner works. Open your camera app or Google Lens and point steadily at the QR code, centered and well lit. Don't rush, hold for a second to let detection settle. Once detected, you'll see a link or Play Store notification. Tap it. This launches the store page for the app directly, saving you time versus searching. Make sure to watch for the correct developer name as you proceed. Once the Play Store page opens, you should verify key details so you install the right app. Look at the app name and developer. This prevents impersonators. Then check reviews, recent update notes, and listed permissions. These explain what the app can access. Also note the app size and required Android version to avoid failed installs. If everything matches what you expected from the QR source, press Install. If anything looks off, back out and double-check the QR origin. Press Install and wait for the download and automatic install to finish. Once done, tap Open to launch the app. You'll often be prompted to sign in or grant runtime permissions. Accept only what's necessary and read prompts carefully. If the QR scan didn't work, try again with better lighting, clear the camera lens, or use Google Lens. Make sure Play Store and System Web View are updated. If links still fail, copy the QR URL manually.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.